Hey guys, today let's learn how to create Threads account without an Instagram account. So is it actually possible for you guys to create a Threads account without having an Instagram account? Well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So guys, if you want to go ahead and do this, all we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Threads application. And once you go ahead and launch that, of course, you just see this screen or the option to go ahead and log in. Of course, you could actually choose to log in with another Instagram account, but as you see, as of the current update of the Threads application and the Instagram application as well under the Meta company, there is actually no way for you to create a Threads account without using an Instagram account. This is because these two applications are interlinked and are under the same company. So if you want to go ahead and use the Threads application, you do need to go ahead and create an Instagram account first and use that account to log into Threads to start using the Threads application. If you want to go ahead and, well, let's say just not have your Instagram account used, you can actually use, well, a proxy Instagram account just by creating a new one on the Instagram application. You could actually go ahead and launch the Instagram application right here, tap on our profiles in the lower corner, or long press on our profiles, and then tap on add account. From here, let's tap on create new account. Go ahead and enter the necessary details of your preferred account, and then by there, you can actually create your new Instagram account, not post anything on there, and use that details to log into your Threads application. That's how you guys could create a Threads account without having an Instagram account. If it's, well, it's not possible, but thank you guys for watching this video until the end. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.